All right. Welcome to the quote-unquote stream. This is going to be a kind of a special stream. Not special, but different, I guess. So this stream I'm doing offline. So I guess you probably wouldn't call this a stream, huh? But I'm still going to put this stream into the YouTube playlist. So I will treat it like I do normally. But yeah, I will be doing this one offline. I'm mainly doing this extra stream offline because I want to get this what is it, the rest of this scripting stuff done. I'm very close. The work's gonna be a little bit tedious, but yeah, I want to be finished with it. So yeah, I'm gonna try and what is the word, run through this as fast as I can, and then hopefully this will be a short stream. But yeah, the goal for today is just to, and let me get this out of the way as well. The goal for the stream is to finish this up, get this dealt with, get it out of the way, and then we're good. And the last thing I left off for this, basically I finished this part. Alright, so we just need to finish doing this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So, yeah, this was a bunch of compiler issues. Yeah, let's go ahead and run through this really quick. So, let's see where I left off. We're in the onEdit. The onEdit pop-up, sure. Okay, and then we're looking at both cases. So the first case is if we have the arbitrary function, then we want to load in the arbitrary information, right? If we're not using arbitrary function, then we want to load in the information probably using algorithm, right? So we already loaded in the return type here. Let me get this out of the way. Yeah, so we already loaded in the return type here. And right now we're working on loading in the parameters. So basically, yeah, if the size, so okay, yeah, so we're loading in the names, right? And then each label is essentially going to be, and then we're going to do what's it called? SD size t iteration, and then we're going to do iteration plus. Okay, and then here we're going to do parameter name dot at iteration. There we go. Easy as that. So now we just need to make sure this is filled properly. So for each one of these, we're going to do parameter names dot and place back, and it's going to be an SD string surrounding the string parameter, or I guess I'll do a lowercase parameter plus the letter iteration. There we go. Easy as that. Alright, so now we have the parameter name filled, right? And we're using this list, either if we have the pre-existing list or we create it on the spot, we use that list here, right? To load in parameters, yeah, parameter list, and load parameters into what is it called? Load the parameters into the UI widgets, right? All right, so yeah, That's pretty good. This basically will load it in properly, right? Okay, now the other thing is that for each object, I need to make sure that I open up the correct thing. So if I go on create and on fill the list or whatever, let me go back to the all scripts list. So basically, the on edit right now opens the open script dialog, which in this case should now do edit widgets dot name popup dot open popup. There we go. So that should open the popup. I'm not really worried about this on link thing. Honestly, I could recreate it pretty easily. But that'll open the correct thing. That's good. Oh yeah, we gotta remember to fill these properly. So basically, the return type this was a lot easier actually. So loading return type. But this time we're doing current script and explicit dots and return type. There we go. And then we'll put this one in directly. And that's about it for that one, honestly. And then here we want to do basically we want to do this. Right, as normal. Clear the parameter list. And then we want to fill it appropriately. But in this case, actually, it's going to be pretty similar now that I'm looking at it. So this is going to be current script explicit dot parameter types. So we're going to loop these parameter types. And then we also need the parameter names. So basically it's going to be current script explicit func type dot and parameter names. And then we just insert it. Update the iteration, and then we're good. Yeah, so this line of code and this line of code basically do the same thing, except the only difference is this one uses the already provided explicit func type, and this one has to kind of generate some things on the fly. But yeah, section label's the same. Expanded is true. Okay. So then edit widgets, name, return type, parameter list, section label, create parameter popup, edit parameter popup. Yep. I probably do need to add an option for deleting the parameter, but I think I'll add that separately. We'll see. Okay, so onConfirm is going to be a bit different. Actually, is it? Hold on. So edit project section label. The only difference is I'm not creating things anymore. I'm just editing an existing one. So somewhere in here I do like a call to like create a new script. So instead of that, we're going to do save script. And then this time we don't provide a spec. It's like the main difference. So save script provides a script. So we want to get the script first. So gonna see where I load in this script from here. Oh, here it is. And just assert here. So first thing is we get the script, right? And then, yeah, basically we just do current scripts like this. And the script name, right? And we do current scripts. Type. Okay. And section label is this. Let me grab this like normal. Grab all these. Edit entries. Sure. Validate the duplicates. Still want to do that. Matches a check if provided signature matches a predefined type, huh? Okay. And function type. And func type. Okay, there we go. And then here we're just going to provide, I think save script requires two things. I think it's current scripts and then active scripts handle. I don't remember if it's in this order. I have to switch it. Probably have it switched. Okay, there we go. So oh, it's a void, huh? So there is no like it's successful here. We just like call it and call it a day. And then okay. Yeah, there's no on create confirm in this case, we just get rid of that. I'm trying to see if there's anywhere else that I edit these. Okay, I don't think we need to validate this. I think this is fine. Well, no, I suppose that's fine. Alright, so arbitrary versus these. A bit different, but it's fine. The only thing I'm worried about is like if I modify the script, right, and then Like if I modify the script, but then I decide not to just go ahead with the rest of it, then there could be an issue. Let me think. I can't remember if I have cache scripts or not. I think I do cache scripts. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a create rep. Like that. Oh, wait, no. What am I doing? Create rep. And it's gonna be a scripting script, right? And we're gonna take this in as a construction, like this existing ref. I think this is going to be .gets. And I guess dereference it. All right, so essentially what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make a copy of this, right? And then this ref will be like a unique copy, right? And then basically using the unique copy, I can save this copy of the script. So let me open it up, because I want to make sure that like if I make changes to this copy of the script, that it doesn't affect the other one until I actually want to save it. So I provide the wait, I do have this save script with a spec. Oh, okay. Wait a second. Wait, yeah, let me control Z this a lot. Because if I do have a save script with a spec, then I should just keep using that API then. Until I like change it around. Don't mess with what already works, right? Unless you need to. Where are we at? Okay, well, those can stay. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're still making a spec all the way up through here. Now the only difference is we want to save scripts. And what we want to do is we want to do m active script handle. Is that what I call it? Yeah. And this returns, I believe, a boolean, just a boolean though. Editing scripts, and then also I don't want to worry about this, so these are garbage. Okay, and then everything else should just still work the same, I believe. Yeah, everything was kind of in service of making this spec, so no, we're good. And this should all edit the right things. I don't see there being any other issues here. Yeah, parameters, these all should have the same kind of lookout and everything. Create parent parameter. As long as it's editing this widget, we should be fine. This one edits it. It's editing the right things. Confirm action. Yeah. So yeah, you can pretty much do the same things as before. The editor should still work exactly the same. So I don't see any reason to change that. A lot of duplicate code, but it is what it is. Oh, is this the old code? This is the old code. Okay, good thing I saved it. So the delete, I'm going to need to delete, right? Okay. Oh yeah, I had a warning for these. Yeah, you might want to be able to delete them. Okay, let's go to the update scripts really quick. So spec. What is this update script? So it's going to be edit scripts. Widgets, not. And edit name, that's what it was. There we go. In this function one, what do we do with the spec? Updating scripts. I'm trying to think. Type. Okay. I gotta find the code where I deduce the function type from the provided thing or whatever. Creates if right signature matches the predefined type of a none. That's this code right here. Yep. Let's head back. So yeah, it used to be such a simple copy and paste. Now it's a whole thing, but whatever. Okay. Return type. Nameless validation set. We just validate. Edit script. Duplicate parameter found. Yep. This is m create. So it's gonna be m edit limits. Let me see if I can find an m create. Oop. Alright, sick. So we get the return type. So that essentially replaces this, right? And then we go ahead and save the spec. And this function has an actual definition, I believe. A little bit of indirection, but it's not too bad. Get original asset slash metadata. Signatures were found. Okay, this one's actually interesting. If I update the parameters, I got to change up some things. Those signatures were found. Actually, should I be able to edit the type of a script once I create it? That's a good question, because I know I'm essentially supporting it here, but that has really weird ramifications if I make that a thing. And I do like the fact that I wrote this code, but yeah, you know what? I'm not gonna do this. Check if function needs to be updated. And it builds out the parameter list. Yeah, no, we're not doing this. Okay. So check if script exists in registry. Okay, update the metadata. The other thing is that metadata, what's the function type? It's equal to x dots, and what's the function type? There we go. Update in memory scripts. If m asset cache dot contains handle. And then let's see. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'll just go ahead and keep it consistent, I guess. Save it and exit. Okay, not too bad. Yeah, wait. You know what? Yeah, now that I'm having a good think about it, I don't think I want to update the script like that. So, you know what? Yeah, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go over here. Widgets. Yeah, create widgets. All right. And then I think for this one, I'm going to reduce this down by quite a bit. So it's going to be edit widgets. Yeah, we might want to change the name, I suppose. Actually, do I want to change the name? Yeah, I don't want to mess with the trim type. I don't want to mess with the parameters either. Yeah, I don't care about this pop-up. I don't care about this name, type, edit parameter. Nope. So I think really I just want you to be able to edit the name, I guess. Yeah, she's able to edit the name really in the section label. That's about it. And then basically here, edits widgets. Okay, that's gonna cause a lot of errors, but low key is fine. So yeah, we don't need to do this anymore. Spec.name, spec.type, and spec.section label. Okay, and then if we go to the save script function, update registry metadata, and function type, I don't care about changing that. Yeah, name, type, and label. Really like I do. Type. The type doesn't need to be updated. Script type. Yeah, well, the type can be changed. This one, you know. And function just set to null pointer, and I need to update it, essentially. But yeah, that's fine. Okay. The only thing I think I want to update though actually, I think I want to get that regular expression thing I just had. I want to keep one part of it. So, development branch. Set it over here. Fine. Let's browse the files. All right, so the engine. I'm trying to think of what I gotta do. I think it was in the assets section. And the script manager. Come down a bit. Wherever I did this whole save script thing. Oh, this is the management of the script. Where's the save script? There it is. Okay. And copy this for a second. Head back over here. Bring it back just for a second. Actually, it's before the metadata. Okay. Don't want to mess with anything else. The order matters, right? So we're building the regular expression, I guess. And we replace matches for the regular expression, I guess. Okay, so one idea I do have for this is when I do actually make my script editor, I do plan on what is it called, removing away the, how do I say, like pulling out the like function signature away from you, right? But I do want to make it like visible, right, in the editor, so you can see the function signature. And if you want to change that, you got to go into the script editor and change the parameter names and whatnot. And that way, like, since you don't have control of that, you can just focus on the code itself, and then the actual names and linking everything will be done internally, right? So you don't have to worry about all those things. Like, I handle those, right? I think that kind of simplifies it. So for now, yeah, I'm gonna shy away from the whole regular expression thing, because I can see that getting very messy. And I think later when I do actually make my script editor, I'm going to kind of solve this problem entirely a different way. So yeah, for now this is fine. This is whatever. So let me head back over to wherever I had my stuff. Yeah, here. So yeah, basically I'm getting rid of, like, yeah, actually most of this code was kind of necessary. Now that I'm really looking at it. The name I gotta move over. This is unnecessary. Yeah, really, I'm just gonna provide the name of the parameter list. That's it. Alright. And yeah, just about like 90% of this is gone. Really just this, and the script tooltip, which even this one, I'm like, do I even need a script tooltip? I don't think so. Yeah, it's literally just these two. Okay, so on confirm action. Alright, so the name becomes this, the type becomes this, and the section label becomes that. And everything else is a bunch of hoopla. Right. Okay, so that keeps that much simpler. Yep, and then return type's not a thing, parameter list is not a thing, all of this is just not a thing anymore. There we go. But one thing I may want is that delete action now. Real quick, I'm gonna use the restroom. Give me like a few minutes. Yeah, probably like 2 minutes, but just to be safe. Okay, I am back. Edit script, delete script, edit script pop up. Okay. So the group still does this essentially. I mean, it's basically the same thing. So yeah, like the main ones I need to copy over are these. And edit script pop-up, not the edit script pop-up, just this part. So confirm action. Wait a second. Actually, this actually might be a better... That's... Some of these aren't things anymore. I don't know why the linter doesn't yell at me like, for this error type. Yeah, I know. I'm like, can you lint it for me? Okay. Wait, so now that I'm actually looking at this, I'm actually more now like, maybe I should just left it alone. Yeah, actually, you know what, hold on, I can comment this out for a second, and I'll bring this back. There might have actually been some good stuff in here. So edit script pop-up, right? So let's find edit script pop-up. Alright, let's replace it with, what is this supposed to be called? Edit widget dot main main pop-up. There we go. Okay, let's find edit script main. Let's change it with edit main, I think that's what I called it. Yeah. Edit script section label. Replace this with edit script no. Is that what it's called? Let me see. Select section label. Okay, and the func type I'm just gonna entirely get rid of. Yeah, we don't need this. So we're just gonna load in these two. Yeah, func type can get out of here. This is still need to make a thing. So if func type is not okay, so this is just checking if I change the func type. So in this case, no, you know what? I always want to run this pop-up. I always want to run this warning. What is this? Edit name? Pop-up contents. Return UI service. Edit widgets, edit name. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so the delete pop-up will pop up here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna do for UI delete generic pop-up, I think. Delete pop-up. Delete. Here, let's see what the linter says. So let's find delete script warning and replace it with, I think just delete pop-up. Delete pop-up, I think so I just made it. There we go. And then you change this one as well. Edit. I'll say edit warning. It's delete warning. It's just, are you sure you want to delete the script? And then it'll just delete the script. Right, so this actually doesn't change at all. But this one changes a bit. Oh yeah, and the func type I don't worry about. Well, this is going to change a little bit. I'll see. Edit script func type label. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. Because we're just going to be editing these two. Yep, update scripts. Okay. Okay. So M edit script func type. Instead of that, we're just gonna call it edit warning. Oh. I'm assuming that's everywhere. Yeah. Okay. I think that actually simplifies it a bit, to be honest. Okay, and in this case, we're not going to do this. We're just going to call this. Okay. So I can get rid of that. Just say, are you sure you want to modify the function? Actually, modifying the function information and call this population choose in your project. Are you sure you want to modify the function? Okay. Generic pop-up m underscore delete warning m underscore edit warning, and then select section can go away. Yeah. Why do we have a script name when we have an edit name? I don't get that. Okay, let me try this. Yeah, I will say editing the name might be a bit unsupported as of right now, but editing the group tag is fine. That's definitely fine. But yeah, I think restricting it so that I can't modify the function definition, I think is probably the best call. Because yeah, if I expose that script, I mean, whoever's working with the script can literally do whatever they want inside the script, right? So yeah, I just gotta be mindful. Let's see. See how much of this I broke. Let's see if I have any existing scripts I can mess with, I guess. Here, but... First, let's see, can I edit things? I can. Name. And the group. Okay, let's not mess with the ones that I actually like, though. Let me, do some modification real quick. So I'm going to make a new script. Or I guess I can make a script here. Interesting that I can't. Test the scripts. Alright. Let's not mess with the... It's a void none, right? Okay. Yep, just enter test script. Nice. What a stuff, isn't it? Okay, so we have the script now. That's cool. Let's go find it. Here it is. Modify the group real quick. That didn't do anything. Okay. Wait, so did it not modify it? What happened? Oh, wait, no, I think I get what's going on. No, these actually can't be here. Because that actually closes, that confirmation closes the pop-up. That was the issue that I had before. So let's go to render. Let's plop this back over here. Let's try that again. Seems like I should modify it. I don't know why I didn't. Script editor. Okay, there's a test script. There it is. Try this again. Modifying the function's information can cause compilation issues in your project. Are you sure you want to modify this function? Oh, hey, you changed the ball. Nice. Yeah, let's see if the lead still works. Okay, it works. Nice. Updates it and it looks good. Perfect. All right, so if you want to create a new script, you can create it here, right? Yeah, and then you can just provide the return types along with the. Oh, you know what? Just as like okay, two just small preference things. I'm gonna fix really quickly. All right, first thing is I think I'm just gonna put this together. Yeah, and get rid of this. I think that'll look better. The other thing is inside of that order, I think it'll be better just have a group. So I'm gonna go up to here. The main here. There it is. Okay. So the select labels, I'm going to put up with the name, and then the return type and the parameter list I'll put below. There we go. Yeah, they like that. Alright, the other thing was I do also now want to specify like the location where I want the script to be saved. That's kind of just something I want. So let me see how I do that. This is probably gonna be a lot of repeated code actually. I'm just thinking about how I want this to look. Okay, well, let me see how these changes I just did look. Okay, so script editor. Let's go ahead and create a new script. There we go. Group. You can put a group. New script. New program 2. All right. A void float. I don't even know if there is a void float. Yeah, looks good. Yes. Yeah, I think soon these little descriptions I have, I think I will just automatically put like a listing of the function signature itself above. Yeah, that might be a good idea. Just so you can like quickly see like the signature and be like, oh, okay, this is what you're supposed to put inside the function. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So there's a few things I want to add, but I think if I start adding those things right now, it's going to overcomplicate a lot of stuff, right? And I don't think I can really solve some of these issues until I start having like a proper script editor, right? Because this is not a proper script editor, right? Yeah, so right now I'll leave it where you can just edit the name of the script and edit the group, and that's it. Also edit new script. What's going on with that? Let me find a edit new script. Yeah, no. Just edit scripts. Just silly. But yeah, like some things like specifying like a location, I'm gonna have to kind of redo some of the API I have right now for the script, right? So yeah, I don't want to mess with that. Also, if I want to go back and go ahead and edit the parameters, I want to have an editor for that. And I'm probably gonna have to, yeah, change a few things. And I won't really be able to like really get it working the way I want until I have like a proper script editor. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it alone for now. I mean, it still works. I just need to be mindful of not like messing it up, I guess. Or I'll just keep it restricted so that it's harder to mess this up. Right. Yeah, you can only modify the name and the group, and that's it. Okay, let's not delete this, but we head down to new script. There we go. Delete this. Are you sure? Yes. There we go. Perfect. Okay. So now, I believe I am able to create arbitrary scripts. Why is it still here? Interesting, it doesn't delete the file. Should I worry about that? Yeah, probably. Probably. Why did I delete the file? What the hell? That was weird. Okay, wait. Actually, yeah, I'm kind of curious about that, why I didn't delete the file. None. Okay. Yeah, that's an interesting crash state. So one thing I might want to do is when I initialize the create script, maybe don't set it to none. Might be a good idea. So wherever I do the create, pop-up action, I think it's here. Yeah, this will load it. If not, return type's gonna be void. And then void. Let's solve that problem. Okay, the other issue is that delete the script here, right? Provide the handle or whatever. Delete asset. It should delete it. So I don't see why it's not. That's weird. Let me try that again. See if it was just a fluke or I just messed something up. right, test script is still here. Interesting. Delete. Script editor. Okay, I don't see it anywhere. All right, let's go ahead and create a new one. All right, it starts with a void, so that's good. That's not a weird error state. Test script. All right. Cool. Let's go here. Let's go find test script somewhere in here. Let's go ahead and delete it. Okay, that deleted it. What the hell? Okay, yeah, I don't know. I don't know with that, but whatever. It's fine. Little section, label section. I like that. Okay. So okay, let me test out what I was doing in the first place, right? So in this test script, right, we got whatever, right? So let's create a new script, and we're gonna give it like an arbitrary type. Okay, I have an idea. So log info, right? Log info, and then return type's gonna be void. We're not gonna do anything. But what we will do, text, right? And it's gonna be a string. Right. So log info, right? Go ahead and open it up, right? And all this is gonna do is just log the text. All right, let's see. So now we can go to, I don't know, common. Let's go to scripts, and then open level 1. And I'm gonna do script log info. Okay. Hello world. Okay. It might throw an error. Maybe. Oh, that blew up, didn't it? Open deal with no file presence. Okay, so obviously compilation failed. Let's see what happens. I'm pretty sure it's because I'm using a const string reference. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm actually almost certain that's the issue. So we're gonna do string, new string, which just looks silly. It's equal to hello world. Okay. New string. Let's rebuild the script module again. Interesting. Wait. What? Failed to compile debug script module. Failed to compile debug script module. Okay, so let's see what happened. Log info. Fatal error 1 unresolved. Something. Hint. Understandings are defined and could potentially match. What's the issue? Oh, wait, let me look at my let me look at something really quick. I go to the project, go to Pong. Intermediates, scripts. Let's look at this header file really quick. Oh. Well. That's interesting. Okay, so it generates it as an SVG string. But in reality, it might want to generate it as a const SVG string. Okay, wait, how is it generated? Wait, let me see something. Yeah, okay, that actually makes sense on the link error then. Okay, wait, no, I have an idea. Oh, right. Yeah, let me check something real quick. So, I'm trying to think, in script module builder in the header file. Down here, whenever we generate these things, wrapped var type to CP string. Let's see. Okay, I'm trying this again. Parameter. Let's see where else I use this. I think it's only there, really. Okay, well, we define it in wrap data, sure. And I've used it in 3 places, which is interesting. Write out parameter types into function signature. Oh, okay, I use it in these 2 places. Is there a 3rd place I use it? Let me see. Oh, interesting. Var to kg script to wrap var type, and then wrap var type to CP string. And this works because we're working with the base type here. Okay. Parameter, which these are the same except const SCD. Reference. parameter. Okay. All right, let's try that. So yeah, I think that was the major reason why I had a linker error there. Also, I'm doing this like static cast to a size t. What the hell is this? You know what? No, wait. SD size t, right? Or maybe just a size t. Size t, right? Don't need to do this. Okay. Size t. Do this. Just making it overly complicated for no reason. All right. All right, let's try that. Oh, did that compile? Nice. Okay. So let's see. So log info.kg script, right? Okay. I think it's open main menu or something is where I do this. Oh wait, let me delete this really quick. Log info. So let's go ahead and remove this. And this should not compile, but I think it'll tell me where it doesn't compile. Or maybe not. Okay, script service 542, right? Let's do script service. Service 542. Okay, failed to compile, so we were compiling this, right? Which means we were... So we're making the CDP files basically down here. String. So it just returns an empty string, right? So string. Compiled file is equal to, or compiled script is equal to, is it this, right? Okay, sure. And then we're just going to output this compiled script. Now we're going to say if compiled script is not empty. KG1. I don't know if I can return a true or false for this one. Failed to compile the script. That's dot data dot file location dot string. Assets is not defined because it's assets, yeah. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and return false. And then here, what we want to do, change this to a boolean, or any of the things we compile. Yeah, normally you wouldn't be able to fail this, but yeah, in this case, since we're compiling the scripts here, we probably should fail. Return true. Okay. Maybe I want to list all of them out though. So I'm gonna do bool failure. Script compilation fail is equal to compilation success is true, right? And then we'll just set compilation success to false. Compilation success false. Okay, now we're gonna say if compilation success and return false. Else return true. That way, I can log all of the, what is it called? I can log all of the scripts that fail, right? Like which scripts failed, which scripts failed, right? And also, since I can return false, let me figure out where I use this, and then I can just automatically just fail out right when I have this issue instead of trying to compile things. DPP file generation generate the success. Is equal to this. Failure to compile script module. Failure to compile script module into just I'll say failure to compile script module. And then I'll say if not generate BP success. And same thing, really. You want to do the exact same thing. The only difference is here you want to do failure to generate C++ scripts from KG scripts. Okay, so now we know in this state what happened, right? Good. So let's try to rerun this and see what we get.
Hello, everybody. I'm Code for Broke.
Alright. Yeah, the remaining of this stream has just been me like fixing small issues, I guess. But yeah, I've been done for I think like 40 minutes now. It's just been like dealing with like little things, I guess. Things that'll probably creep up on me soon. So I think I was having an issue with compilation somewhere. Closing active, token parsing. Clearing previous compiling failure to compile. Wait, but the what? Where's the log? Wait, what's token parsing failed? Like, I get token parsing failed, but like log info, expression error, sure. I feel like I low-key want to just log this into like its own thing, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, token parsing failed, right? Hold on. If token parsing failed, then shouldn't it have warned me about that then? Wait. Token parsing failed. If parse success is like... Oh, wait. No, just return empty string. Okay, that's why I wasn't logging anything. I was like, wait, what? Or yeah, maybe even that. It's probably better. It's clear that we're just doing like a default instruction. Okay, let's retry that. Because I really want it to just tell me, hey, this is the script that messed up. And then I can easily just go, oh, that's the script. I'll take a look. Easy as that. Yeah, I might log this information into like a separate, like, or into a separate sync for the file. Just so it's not taking up my log space. That's kind of annoying. Script that done. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna do that now because this is kind of obnoxious. Yeah, this is kind of obnoxious. I just like to know that, okay, this is the script that has problems, so I can just jump straight to the script. Okay, wait. Project service. Let me check something real quick. Export project. Where's the build executable? There it is. Okay, so this just builds to this location. That's cool. Okay, so this is what causes that file sync. Wait, let me go to my log section. Let's check this out. So I have a core logger. SB log syncs. All right. And place back. Okay. No, I guess I'll just leave it. It's fine. I don't know if I really want to get into logging right now. All the way into logging. Alright, so as long as when I do this, yeah, like it immediately just tells me like, hey, we failed to compile this script, right? So I can go to, okay, common scripts and then open level 1 script. And I can go, what's wrong? Oh, this one. Save. Oh, end. Right. Save. Okay, and then rebuild. Okay, nice. Yeah, that's good. Okay, where am I at with this? Almost 2 hours. Alright, I think that's good for today. So, let's see. Oh yeah, so the BRB right here. Alright, so finish edit script panel. I think that's pretty much done. So let's go over to here and put this into completed. Oh, hell yeah. The creation of arbitrary scripts now works. So, good check mark. Right? So now I just need to deal with the bugs, right? So I think the next bug I'm going to deal with probably is going to be SD file system. I might deal with this for a second too. I'm not exactly sure how I'm supposed to fix this one. I'm not gonna lie, but it shouldn't be that bad. I don't see it being that big of an issue. Yeah, just deal with some runtime UI bugs. I might even push this off for a second, just because I think while I'm making these game levels, I don't exactly remember what the bugs were. So instead of trying to summon them into my mind, I'll just deal with them while I'm making this level. Like, I'll naturally encounter the game level bugs. Like while I'm doing these levels, right? So yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's good. It's good. Okay, no, yeah, I'm actually pretty happy at this point. So now, right? Looks like everything is working. Oh, wait. One thing I should check. One thing I should check though. Scripts. Create new scripts. Log text. Yeah, we'll take in the string. Next. I think later I might just take in like a const car pointer and just go from there instead of taking in SG strings. Yeah. That might simplify my life a little bit. All right. So it says log test. We're just going to log the text. Simple as that. Okay, so now we're going to log. This might not work. But let's see. Oh, was that compilation worked? Nice. All right. So open level 1, right? Oh yeah. Okay, cool. Totally works. Nice. Oh, wait. No. Hold on. That wasn't the test. What am I doing? No, scripts. Log test. Okay, here's the test. My bad. Hello world. I was like, that was too easy. Oh. Wait, did that really work? Alright. Oh, and you know what? Okay, let's just build this and see. Nope, totally worked. Okay, so the next thing I want to try is, let me go into scripts, let me go into approve join session, let me try scripts test log test. Okay, rebuild it. Right, compiler worked, nice. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this file. All right, cool. So now, if I try to rebuild it, it should have some issues. Failed to compile script module. Wait, that didn't make it fail? What? What? What do you mean? This is what I'm talking about. This file system error right here. Like, this is ridiculous. Yeah, and it's because we're doing this SD equivalent right here, right? And I probably should add some wrapper code. Okay. Yeah, that's annoying. And that's like a whole crash. That's so annoying. Like, okay. Okay. So let's try to recompile again. Okay, there we go. That's what I wanted. So common scripts had an issue, as well as a join session. So common scripts join session. There we go. Now if I save and try to rebuild it. There we go, see? It failed early. So build a compilation here. Open level 1. Let's get rid of this. Okay, now let's rebuild. Alright, now that works. Nice. So let's go ahead and run it. Oh. Yeah, beat me. Okay. Okay, this is ridiculous. We should be getting an error code. EC, right? Okay, I think I should maybe note here that maybe I should look for SD file system, right, in general. Yeah. Okay, so maybe inside of this one I could put a note real quick. I might want to check might want to do a s find on all right. So I'm pretty satisfied at this point with this, so go ahead and push this code. Bring this over really quick. Well, let's compile it real quick since I just edited some stuff. And then yeah, I think I'll be done. And yeah, I can start working on errors. That's good. Bugs and errors and whatnot. So that'll be fun. Oh, you know what? I don't think I checked if everything compiles. And actually, I don't think it will. Okay, let's go ahead and build a solution, see if I get any errors. Yeah, because I think I changed some things that will cause issues in the previous commit. Let's take it a minute.
Hello, everybody.
Huh, 0 failed. Okay, well, sure, why not? Alright, let's go ahead and go with the git changes then. Clean up, what is it called? Editor, script, editor. Edit script pop-up to only modify the script name, or this is the inclusive or name or group and script editor panel.cpp/.h. What else? The main thing I did here, honestly. That was the main thing I did here. Okay, in script manager, oh yeah, I deleted a bunch of stuff here. Oh yeah, remove code that updates a script definition, script signature, using regular expressions inside just unnecessary. Okay, wrap data. Add function that provides var type to cpp parameter in wrapped data.h. That's a C++ parameter. Token parser. Oh yeah. Feature compilation. Log displays a file name of script name when script compilation fails. Script compiler service .cpp, script module builder.h. Script service .cpp. Okay, that's about it. Finish working on arbitrary scripts. All right. So I'm gonna be quiet, my bad. All right. Well, yeah, I think I'm gonna call it. So yeah, next stream will be tomorrow, or I might not stream tomorrow actually, because I think I have to go out somewhere. So the next stream should be on Thursday. Yeah, I already updated the progress board. I don't. Should I update the game code? I don't think I really did anything that would break anything. Okay, well, let me go check. Let me go check really quick. git status. Did I change anything? Yeah, you know what? I don't think I want to update these every single time. So let me open the git ignore here. I want to do a quick change. It's kind of annoying every single time. It updates that. I didn't really actually update anything with that. Just recompiled it. So where's the git ignore? Here it is. Okay, let's put this here. Put the terminal here. There we go. All right. Export header.cpp. That's funny. Body.cpp. Okay. Body.exp. exp. Okay. Body debug.exp. .ilk. And then export header. Let me ask ChatGPT really quick. No. GPT. How do I stop tracking file on GitHub in my repository if I say add it to your Git ignore. Okay, there we go. Not in the system. Okay. All right, so remove file path. Intermediate scripts / export body, not CP. exp debug.exp debug ilk, and then header.h. Okay, git status deleted. So just want to modify it, and it wants to add these. So I haven't saved this yet. Basically anything, are there any intermediates? Precompiled. I'll just put a section for intermediates. Intermediates. Oh, oh. Okay. And then I'm gonna say all dot okay. All dot exp. So these shouldn't be an issue. I still potentially want to have like CPP files and header files. I just don't want to have these two in particular. All right, so let me git status. Okay, there we go. I like that better. So this git ignore, I'll go ahead and push out with any new projects that I make, and then it should automatically deal with these issues. I'm going to do git that's git commits -m updates git ignore to remove what are they called? Intermediates. It's push origin name. There we go. All right, that's done. All right, so I think I am done. So yeah, I guess that's it. All right, later.